What's going on, everybody? So today I'm here to show you a new product from Aerospace Components. It's the 6th Gen Camaro manual brake conversion kit, and it's also for the 5th Gen as well. They have both kits. What it does is it eliminates your stock brake booster, which is kind of inconsistent when you get like a bigger cam and you start to lose vacuum pressure. So this will allow you to have more of a steady pressure and pedal. And it's a great kit from Aerospace. They really knocked it out of the park with this one. It's a very clean setup, simple to install. You don't need any major tools, a couple of small tools and a cutting wheel. So before we go into how to install it on the car, I want to show you the finished product. This is your master cylinder on the outside, and then this is your bracket here that they made that bolts to your firewall. Really clean setup, like I said. And then we'll go inside and we'll check out the pedal and the pedal assembly and everything. All right, so we'll go on the inside and I'll show you guys the pedal arm and the pedal assembly. So it's all custom billet aluminum. Really nice setup. It's clean. It says Aerospace on the pedal and on the pedal arm. All right, here's a better view of your pedal arm and the pedal from the side. And that's your pedal bracket from the inside. That will stay the same. You will reuse it. But this, I mean, it's super nice. Look at this thing. Really nice, clean setup. All right, now let's go ahead and get into everything that comes in the kit. So obviously you have some fittings so you can attach your stock brake lines to the new master cylinder. Here's your pedal arm with the pedal. This will attach to your pedal assembly inside the vehicle. I don't know if you guys have ever looked under there, but it's just a aluminum piece that bolts to your firewall from the inside. This right here is something that you're going to have to drill out to go to your new pedal assembly. That nut and bolt there is a little bit bigger. That's your bracket that will bolt to your firewall on the outside that holds your master cylinder. Over here is going to be, this is everything you're going to remove. Big difference, you can see. The vacuum booster is pretty big on these cars, so it's going to clean up this whole area big time. It's going to save a lot of room. Like I said, again, it saved about 8 to 10 pounds total between everything, and the pedal arm was a lot of the weight, believe it or not. The stock pedal is like a solid piece of metal. This billet aluminum is definitely a lot lighter. All right, so as far as the install goes, I can kind of show you guys real quick on with how this comes apart, how all this works. So you have your brake pedal assembly that's mounted in the top of the car, right? It goes on the back side of these two bolts right here. These run through the firewall, and so your pedal hooks to this right here, this little plastic clip. So that's going to be on the inside, right? So as far as removing this, what you're going to do, you're going to unbolt this from the outside. There's your outside piece. This piece will pop right off real easy. Now this will still be stuck in the car because it's attached to the pedal in the car. So what you have to do, go on the inside. This plastic clip right here is going to go inside of here, right? And then what you have to do, you have to press these tabs in. I took a screwdriver or something on each side and tap that side, tap the other side. This will pop off, and then you can get your pedal out. And once you do that, you can go ahead and loosen your bolts up, drop your pedal assembly down from the inside of the car, and then this will go ahead and come off from the outside. So that's a quick, because I had trouble trying to get that off when I had it because I couldn't figure out this clip thing. But the new pedal, it weighs a lot less than this one, and this one is solid and it's heavy. The next part is when you get this all together, I'll throw a video in here real quick, but they say you have to drill, and this is what you have to drill. So this goes in your stock pedal assembly, and what it is this actually you have to cut off so it doesn't have like a nut and bolt. This is just like a flat head on there, so you have to grind that off and then basically break it off, and that will allow for this to slide right out of your pedal assembly. Okay, now here's what I was talking about. Once you get your pedal assembly down, you have to grind off that tab for the bolt right there. You have to flatten that out. And then once you do that, you can go ahead and you can tap it out with a screwdriver or something sharp. Just go ahead and pull it all the way through. And once you do that, you have to drill your hole bigger to fit the new nut and bolt that comes with your new pedal. But here's the finished product. Here's one view. Here's a second view of it, all put together. This is your brake light switch that bolts to it as well. This is your bracket that holds your master cylinder on the outside. Here's a picture of your master cylinder all bolted up from the inside. And then here's the placement of the pedal. Like I said, everything is great. It's almost like stock placement. And that's it. Okay, one more thing too. Aerospace will send you line adapters so you can tie into your stock lines that run across. We obviously ran different lines, but you can do it either way. You can tie in your stock line or you can run different lines. We were testing this, so we kind of messed up our stock lines. So that's why we decided to run brand new ones. I cut into them too much, made them too short. But if you buy the kit, they will come with adapters, or you can run your own lines. It's completely up to you guys. All right, thanks for watching, everybody, and thank you to Aerospace Components for being part of the team and helping us out with this kit. This was great for our program and our car. And if anyone's interested in one, hit up Aerospace Components and we'll get you set up. And thanks for watching. Until next time.